morning, good morning, good morning.
Sounds like cream.
I just realized I'm wearing another pink shirt. This is a little bit darker though. Now, I've had that happen as well, where it feels like it's just stuck in the back of your throat, but it's really not. You guys should watch what I just posted in the Discord real quick before we start. It's actually really well done.
Can hang over too.
What's that movie about?
I mean, I think it's just something somebody did, and it's new.
It looks like it, but I think there is a movie coming out.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Steve Carell.
Actually, I'll turn the fan off.
That's funny. I'm already watching Battlestar Galactica right now.
Look at this gem that I found. It's from June 24th of 2020. Still holds true and always will. I pitched last night at baseball. My arm is killing me.
I didn't hear no bell.
GBR prob nice hangover there too.
That's pretty good. Pretty well done.
UONE up, looking for para out of the gate on that one. Plus 10
That
ideal.
was well done.
Carrot for SS.
Right? I was taking my morning, before the bell bathroom break and
Constitution.
started watching it. And I was like, oh, this is actually really good. Yeah, I'm jacked to the tits. That was such a random line for that movie, too.
The voice squeak and everything.
Yeah.
Jackson did. What movie is that? Chapter 6.
The Big Short.
There's
AMC on watch. Won't chase anything there.
I didn't hear no bell.
Still got 20 seconds. See what I did there? Oh boy. Get a nice whiff of the candle. There it is. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, good luck.
Ami still a turd?
Ami's gonna be a turd for a long time. I can't credential for that. It is what it is.
Man, that thing went all the way to 41.25.
Nothing else catches my eye.
You see how low that thing went? Ugh.
Yeah, I would have made a couple bucks on it.
Just a couple.
Just a couple.
Lyra 22k there.
Whatever. Now we're talking.
Lee Hugeko.
On to the next.
In AHT, expecting a builder there, +6 ideal.
AMC already has 6 million shares.
Is that at 40 bucks something?
It's at 32 right now.
32 what?
I'm sorry, 35, almost 36. Oh, it's 36 now.
Over 30.
Yeah.
Pay stalking it.
Order filled.
Lee in. Carrot.
Order filled.
Whoa. What?
Tell.
Whoa. Charts are laggy. Holy crap.
Lee dollar.
Oh, Tim, you sneaky devil. You caught Lee in there under resistance.
Well, that was a huge move up to it. I told you that's the only time I'll get into it. If you notice, I went down in share size too.
Almost took it too. I just hesitated. And it made
Well,
the next red came up.
And then if you watch my stream, it fills me like 5 seconds before the price ever gets down there on my chart. Yeah, kind of scary.
So fast.
No, I think just the charts were lagging. I hate that tell doesn't come up on IB for some reason. It's so weird.
That's a good rejection right off that 2450. That's right. Mark
Yeah, it
that
was,
line.
yep, was the high from yesterday. Probably could have held more, but I saw the second high there. Figured it would bounce, which it did. But it's continuing down.
mRNA in.
Myrna?
Lee done.
What is Tel doing?
Yeah, I'm watching Tel and AHT.
Order filled.
Just started Tel. AHT is right at that pre-market high, so it's like I was trying to wait.
PEI is moving. Didn't you trade that yesterday?
PEI? I didn't trade that, I don't think.
I saw a chart of yours at the end of the day.
I didn't trade anything end of day.
You did to get over goal.
Oh yeah, you're right. Was it that one?
Yeah, it was.
No, it was YVR. What is this chart? Oh yeah, it's PEI. I traded that thing twice. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that was while it was running though. That was earlier.
Would you look at that?
10 to, oh no, that was 2 o'clock. Huh.
Hey.
Alright, sorry. I lied. I should have chose AHT instead of Tel. Of course, that one's the one that died. Yeah, it's like dying too. Son of a bitch. Probably should have been in both, to be honest.
Order filled.
In pay with you.
In PEI.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
MRNA dollar dollar.
Just do it, Dell. Come on.
Just got missed by a penny again.
Order cancelled.
This is another one that doesn't care about its stopping tails.
Pay dollar.
Wish I could have nabbed that ad at 48, 47.
Son of a bitch. Come on. Missed this so many times. Need to get back under 20 here. There we go. Come on. Push. Push it.
Next up.
Order filled.
Got my first half out.
I just don't know if I want to cut half or the whole thing. If it goes up. Like for it to just fail. If we can get back through 320, I got a feeling I get the nice drop.
MDJH got brutalized after that halt. Anybody catch that?
No.
JFU earnings FYI.
That's where you would have faked me out. So now you dump, right? That's what you always do if I were to actually get out. Can't believe it missed us that many times by a couple pennies. There we go. Come on. Just need that 20 break. Cannot get 20 to break here on PEI. It's so frustrating. This will probably be my last attempt at letting the full amount try. If it can even try. Trying to be patient here.
NGM up, needs MRO.
Don't even want to try. Feels heavy. I mean, it looks heavy.
AHT some dollar on way.
Just doesn't want to do it.
Order cancelled.
And take
Order
half
filled.
off there.
Tell dollar on way.
That's so annoying. Missed us by a couple pennies on that first drop. Got to 312. It literally missed us by a penny. We were at 311. Of course. Look at that. Look at how quick that's getting bought up. It's ridiculous. Definitely gonna have a stop probably at the highs here. Maybe even just above 330. Lee back up there? I am.
Ken dollar on way.
It's a huge company. That's why I wasn't really messing around with it too much. Got a feeling we might get a little fake out through 30 here.
Pay all out.
We'll see. Might not end up taking the loss here.
Not fights today. No.
Dang, look at this thing go. What did we take on this? 30? I have to try that again.
Order filled.
Stupid pay.
Pay would be happy with the 3.60 push. Be ready for it.
Yeah, I mean, I would too. We're so close to the $50. I just don't know what to... It's in such an awkward spot. It's like, I mean, I could stop and just get back in. Let's see if it gets there.
Order filled.
I'm going to do that. Do this. See if we can get that push back down to 320. We'll take half off. So,
UONE not quite fast enough at moment, thinking more like 10.50 if it gets there.
Somebody manipulating the crap out of this thing, huh?
BRFS cutting the hangover starter.
Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
Take that there. Stop at the highs.
$dollar on way.
So quiet today.
Focused.
Laser.
That thing just keeps jumping. I was looking for one more little push. I was about to just take it there. Kind of want to see if this could just continue. Nice, Iki. Lee would have gave it to us.
Tell out all.
Come on, give us that dump. Let's say I knew there was something higher right there, 285. And that'd be sweet, huh? Should we hold for that? Kind of like the idea of that. We can try. If we can get under VWAP, I might actually try to hold this.
Anyone catching these AMC moves?
There we go.
UONE started
Order
it.
filled.
10.60 plus
I'm
ideal.
gonna take half there. I'm gonna see if we can
$8
ride the rest of this down. Just put a trail on it. Do what? 30 cents? $25 would probably be better. Do 23. If we get the under 3 pop here, I'm going to take it.
UONE much appreciated.
Not much buying pressure here. Here we go. Do it. Do it. flickered. $3 flickered. There's absolutely nobody buying right now. The people buying are probably just some shorts covering. Give it to us. There we go. Come on, give us the pop. Yeah. Get back down there. All right.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna take it there. I'm not gonna sit here and mess with the $3 pop. It probably gets it, but I'll be happy with that trade. It's a pretty solid trade. Put us right at goal for the day. Actually, if I would have took it right when it was at 3, we would have been at goal. It's all good.
$8 on way.
Oh, here it comes. It's probably gonna happen. There's like no buying pressure there, but I wasn't gonna sit there and wait for it. Beautiful ad right there. Basically just saying I'm gonna cut it there if I did. Yeah, see, it's just kind of fighting there, which I figured it would. Till I got out of early because I was dealing with pay, but the pay is about to break. Decent amount of shares went through there. Yeah, it's gonna break. There it is. 297, probably what I would have got, because I would have took it right there. That's all I would have been waiting for, right? So you're talking 6 cents at that point. You know, is 6 cents really worth that possible like pop all the way back up, right? So it was almost just like I wanted to be right, but I can still be right by watching it afterwards and not risking anything. So I'm happy with it. There was a lot of talking through my plan there. Hopefully you guys liked it. PEI was definitely in an awkward spot. That's why we took it off. It clearly didn't want to stop. It went back up. We were looking for it to go high of day. If it wanted to blast through, we were interested in trying again with half our shares, looking to smash it back up towards 350. But once we realized that it was failing to get the high of day, we added with the intention of just cutting it high of day if it got there, and ended up with a decent little winner there. And yeah, so what did it get down to? 295. So not bad.
UONE couple locks.
I didn't even pull up UNE. Yeah, probably would have been in that one. Did you get UNE, Thomas?
No, I missed it, dude. I was watching it, but I had my finger on the trigger because I had to release it and just didn't release it.
Yeah, I never even pulled it up because I was dealing with PEI.
Yeah, PEI was definitely stubborn. Only got LI on the first one.
LMFA 40K to
Beard's coming in thick and luscious.
Yeah, I was actually going to shave it this morning. Not off, but just, no. My beard hasn't been itchy forever. I've had this thing for so long now. I just meant trim it. I didn't mean shave it. I just used the word shave.
That shirt's been washed twice with a red sock.
I know. You like how it's darker today? You like that? I threw it in the wash last night with another red sock. I was like, oh, I might as well just go full out.
You got the steering wheel set up. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, yeah, over there.
LMFA waiting for 5.2.
Remember all those boxes that were on the floor? They're all gone now. That was what I did yesterday. I turned that shelf in the background. All I have is some stuff that I want to do
You live right down there today,
for my management. Can't really get there. Doesn't. I can't pull that. I gotta adjust that so I can pull it further. Yeah, I tried to set the shelf up there so that I can put some cool stuff back there. I'll probably try to get it so it's more
I need to
in
make sure it's
focus. I
actually
don't know.
updating.
If you did that update, I'm sure you're fine.
I didn't do it yesterday.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Right. We're in the middle of a trade. Make it
God knows
exciting.
what'll happen.
Dang, you won right back up, huh? What was that other one I said I should have been in? Oh, LMFA. Oh, we don't have shares on this, do we?
Yeah, 40K.
Oh, Brian got it then. He literally said he was waiting for 520 if there was any shares left.
Carrot dollar.
And there it is.
Yeah. And I usually wait when he says that because he wants more. He's just starting. So I'm usually
He probably
waiting.
nailed the top though. That was a nice. I pulled it up like right as it shot back down from the high there. That's a lower float too, isn't it? Yeah, 15. Low float, low amount of shares. Sketchy. Nice, Siki. Good shit. What is this SLNO doing? Guess I don't need to keep this up anymore. It did bounce. That's a good sign. Probably the VWAP. It might end up continuing down, but what was the one you said he had? SLCA. Okay, that's why I was like, wait a minute. That's crazy how the shares actually went up on LMFA during that. It went from 40 to 41.
Yeah.
That's really weird. If I thought about shorting it, it would have ran out instantly. Somebody would have just shorted 41,000 shares.
Oh, exactly, dude. You know.
And then it would have ran through 550.
I'll be right next to you, 2 keys in a pot.
All right, who wants to donate me 18 cents?
What for?
Not happening.
OXBR
What do
stocking.
we get out of
Plus
it?
75 would be nice if real soon.
Drugs or food?
I just neither. I'm just gonna say I hit my goal today.
Done. Your PayPal information in the
Description.
Yeah, it's always in the description, baby. It's always in the description.
Say 13 cents?
18. Don't actually donate me 18 cents. I don't even think you can.
I think the donation will cost more than you actually get.
Yeah. No, if you do it straight to PayPal, I think you can donate whatever amount you want.
Wire that 18 cents over to you. Cost me $10.
PayPal friends and family, baby. Costs you $0. That's why I always try to tell people if they really want to donate to the channel or whatever. Like I've had people in the past, like just because they'll be like, "Oh, you really helped me get started," blah blah blah, and then they'll be like, how do you want me to donate or whatever? I'm like, use PayPal if you can. It doesn't cost either of us anything. Well, it doesn't cost them anything anyway. It always comes out of the person you're sending it to. But if you do it through like YouTube Super Chat, like they take like, I think it's half actually. If you use Stream Elements, they take a percentage. Yeah. Well, I think for YouTube and stuff though, you can't donate less than like $1 or some bullshit.
That's how they get you.
Yeah.
I really only need 18 cents, but give me $1.
There you go, Tim. I got you.
That's funny. That's a little more than 18 cents.
Just round it up.
What is that one? Is that 5? I don't even remember what they are, to be
That's
honest.
5, yeah. It's either 5 or 3.
$1.99.
199.
Is it 1.99?
I mean, if it was 5, no way in hell. I mean,
Yeah. I wouldn't do 5 either. It's not worth it.
You owe any backside
It
ads.
doesn't provide enough for 5. Just 1.99, and that's kind of pushing it, to be honest. Appreciate you, Colin.
Level.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, that's what you get when you get entry level, man. When I get a little bit bigger, I'll probably like actually put some effort into those things. I put it there just because all the cool kids have it.
Little residual income.
Yeah, it's definitely not anything to scream about. But I guess if you become bigger and like you have like 1,000 people or so watching you, it could become something.
Any money
Which-
that happens in your sleep is definitely good money.
Yeah, that's true. That's why I was so mad about the CMEG thing.
I'm still in it.
Well, yeah, anyone who was signed up before they cut it off, like that still works. But I mean, now there's no like new people to get the turnaround. So like when you blow up, I can't have someone else come in and take your spot.
I got a notification that they were adding some new routes.
Yeah, they're definitely always trying to improve. Hence, they're trying to come to the U.S. and Canada. So, hopefully, that'll be done by end of year.
Nice.
Well, I mean, U.S. you would still need PDT. Canada is going to basically be the same as what you got now, I would assume.
I don't have any issues with them except for cost.
Yeah.
Shouldn't even be crying about that either.
No,
TX stalking.
if they do get the Canada thing set up, I am going to lobby to try to get the same setup that what's their faces had, Bear Bulls.
What'd they have?
So apparently, since they were a bigger group, they had it set up to where they could do per share instead of just fixed. So it'd be nice to have that option.
UONE took off the ads. For now.
Because it's not always beneficial to everybody. Because some people, like if you're trading anywhere between like 600 and 1,000 shares, I think it is, it doesn't benefit you at all anyway. Like if you do the math, because I remember doing the math one day.
You got to be over 7,000 shares to get the.
Well, 1,000 shares gets you to per share, but that's just how they're set up, but with the promotion that they had with Bear Bulls, it was like if you did per share, it wouldn't cost more until I think like 600 shares. I don't remember. I did it for Devin because Devin was like teetering back and forth. Because like there's sometimes where he takes more shares, and I think that's why he wants to go to IB now, because he knows it'll be beneficial to him. Because I think it's 600 shares, but I think that's when it goes from like it would actually be better to be on the fixed share price.
Wonder how Devin's doing.
He's engaged, bro. He's probably thinking about killing himself.
Oh, that's right.
Like, what have I done? Engagement remorse.
No, this is the only fun time.
Is this his
Yeah,
second one?
true.
Yeah,
Third.
Cinderella part.
Yeah, this is the third one.
Third?
Yep. He's got 2 wives with 2 kids from each of them. 1 kid from each of them, totaling 2. I don't think he's planning on having another kid, though. That's for sure.
Getting the snip.
Oh, I don't know. I just don't think he's planning on it.
Keep happening with his record.
Until she gets jealous that she's the only one without one. And now that they're married, you know?
That's how they go.
It's gonna happen.
How old is she?
Pretty sure they're both fairly old, so it'd be... I doubt they're thinking about it.
Basically, my question would be: is she over 30?
Yes, yeah. Well, he's 40, right? Almost 40? Or is 40?
No, he's like 45.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
44.
Yeah. I know they're pretty close in age. Nice, Zeke. Killing it today.
Right? Because didn't he wouldn't go out with somebody that was 6 years younger than him? Or something?
Yeah, and he was like never good.
6 years. Jeez, that ain't a big deal.
Going out with
Not,
somebody
yeah.
5 years younger.
When you're older, it's not a big deal at all. I'd say my wife is 4 years younger.
Yeah, there's a transition in your late 20s to 30s where it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
If you're like 32 going out with a 25, it's not too bad.
Well, it's literally the whole concept of it is the maturity aspect of it. It's like once you get to a certain age, like you know, like you're a big boy now, big girl.
Pass here.
Well, she goes, I like you more so because you're an older guy. And I'm like, that's mean.
I'd be like, okay,
That's fine.
You owe any please don't follow.
where's the closest bed?
Yeah, Tim doesn't
Not in
anyway,
it.
so.
I do. I was talking to Moore. I wasn't talking to the girl. Hey, isn't it Gay Pride Week or something?
My neighbor's got a...
Maybe a YOLO soon.
Now you know why.
I don't know why. What's that American flag with the blue stripe? Going through it?
Isn't that for the police?
Yes.
So usually when a fellow officer passes for whatever reason, they usually rock that for a little while. It's SLCA. What's this thing doing? Dude, I only pitched 1 inning in relief last night, and my shoulder is killing me for some reason today. Dude, I don't know if it's just because I'm out of shape but it's like really bad.
Probably that, yeah.
Probably that and old.
Helping out.
it felt good while I was throwing, but I woke up this morning and I'm just like, I could barely move it.
With all the moving, you shouldn't be out of shape. Unless you're
Yeah,
really
no, I mean, I'm not completely out of shape. I mean, I am overweight for sure,
Break
but
Big Co.
I'm not
Smallish range at
out of
moment.
shape by any means.
4.50-ish might be interesting.
Like, I'm not your guy that just sits around. Like, I mean, I play baseball and softball. I can still lift a fairly good amount, like, because I'm the only one that fucking lifts shit around here. So I kind of have
Can't
to.
expect your kids to do it. Not
Yeah,
yet.
not yet. Yeah. But at the same time, I can definitely
Keep my
feel
charts up.
my age catching up to me.
Carrot not there yet.
I used to be able to throw 7 innings and then turn around like 2 days later and do it again. Now I throw 1 inning and I'm like, I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.
Is that baseball or softball?
Baseball. Softball is as easy.
It's so much harder on you, baseball.
Well, and that's why, like, people that play baseball, position players, man, they can play forever if they really want to. But the pitchers, man, is basically just tearing your arm apart.
Lucky to get 5 years out of them.
And now imagine doing it your whole life. I feel like I've been playing baseball, like, literally since I was 3. I think I haven't played for maybe, like, 2, maybe 3 years. I've always been on a team of sorts. Maybe after I lose some weight and I play with them, if my arm's still attached, I'll shoot some video. I sure the fuck ain't shooting video right now with how fat I am. I barely, dude, to get in my pants, I refuse to buy new pants because I'm like, I'm just going to lose the weight so I can fit in these pants again. But it's like, I literally have to like suck in to get the button snapped and then hurry up and put the belt on so that it holds the buttons in place.
Tape that, dude.
Oh, God.
Oh, sorry.
How's that gut roll handling
Dude, it's so bad.
you? Short.
Brian's like, hey, T, round is a shape too. Yeah, that's the shape I am at the moment. I'm telling you, I have it set up in my head. Once everything is done in the house, I'm already signed up at the gym. I plan on going back. Like, I know that I can get the motivation to do it, and I have the motivation to do it. I just so much going on right now with the wife and still getting settled and just so much shit to do around here that I have no desire to go to the gym, only to come home and tire myself out more.
Gym
KODK 8.20 plus would be nice. Ha 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 ha. LOL.
I would like to go back too.
KODK 8.21 please.
I just don't trust people yet. Like, oh, I'm vaccinated. No, you're not, you fucking liar. Like, half the country
75K
is
there.
vaccinated.
I just, like, when I go to pick up the kids and stuff, I don't wear my mask anymore. But we're outside and like I stand off to the side. But it's like I feel like we're to a point where it's okay.
Yeah, everything's starting to loosen up. My state dropped their mandates completely.
I want to feel like shit for a couple of days to a week.
Yeah, true. I just hope whatever my wife has, none of us get. I feel like if either of my kids had whatever she had, we'd be pretty scared. Whoa, what the heck? Kodak went from 75K shares available to 196K. Does somebody cover a big position?
Why is Kodak out?
Well, 196K on KODK now. LOL. Be covered.
It's a big step for my state to
LOL.
lift all their mandates because we have Las Vegas and our only money income is gambling. So a bunch of people getting sick is not a good move.
AJ James asked court to force Kodak CEO to publicly testify in insider trading during COVID-19.
I'm surprised more like, I guess some people are just smart about it, but I feel like insider trading probably happens so much.
all the time.
Oh yeah. I feel like
It can't not happen.
Yeah, because it's like if you just tell one person that they might not even trade, all they have to do is go tell somebody else who happens to trade, or even somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that trades, kind of thing. And it's like, I mean, how well do you trust what they're saying is another story, but
KODK not fast. Will be
I
slow
feel like
build
Wells
for me.
Fargo every year gets rid of their CEO because of insider trading.
yeah, it's like at that point you're making so
Not
much.
here
Like,
in
what's the
cause of
point?
speed.
Yeah.
Hey, Kodak, do it. Pop it.
Order filled.
Oh man. Doo-doo. Just got 862, 63, 65 area.
VWAP's different on TradeView than it is on.
Because it's just
I know. It's the same
it's
time.
higher on DAS.
Yeah, it's higher on DAS.
Might not even stick around this long, to be honest.
It's the first stock I've seen where it's doing this.
Go study config and config the VWAP to include pre-market. There's a check mark.
One cut it.
A little grindy. Should have waited for the speed. There's really never any speed there. It just looked like it was going to reject there for 20, at least come back below it. Didn't even attempt it.
Depending on which one you want. I don't know.
No, I want the pre-market. It's checked. Whatever.
Get a Zeke on BB. Making that thing your moneymaker today. Look at Kodak. Look at this thing be a little butt.
Order filled.
I believe it on DAS because it hit and got rejected. So it's the true one.
What you looking at?
BB.
KODK better here.
Waiting for it to get above VWAP.
Order filled.
It's the same on mine.
Is it?
1290.
It goes. 13 rejected. Yeah, just go through it.
This thing just gonna have a pullback yet, huh? was about to get rid of at least some of it there. I was seeing if it would actually bust down, and it bounced right off our average, literally. It's another one that's made some big moves before. Just in case it does one of them like random pops. Eight 832.3. Our average is 832.09. It's kind of funny.
Order filled.
Get an ad here, and we're going to cut half if it goes through high day. I'm going to take them for a loss, but...
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
BBBY small.
What the heck is this thing doing? BBBY making a crazy move. Come on, give us a breakdown. Come on. Come on. At least get us the break even here. It's toying with us. Break even on the bid. There we go. There we go on the bid. No fill.
Order cancelled.
Gonna take half off there to
Order filled.
loss. Let's see if we can't get the other bit to come up here. That was basically break even. We couldn't get the fill there on the bid for a half, so let's see if we can get the other half to move down. come on, come on. Push down through 30. Oh, right back up. Get that push back down through 30. Should be pretty good for a move down here.
KODK reducing cause it's such a fun trade.
All right, David. I feel ya. Come on, give us that little push. Almost there. Man. $28. Are you serious? Come on. Say 37, top of that candle is what I'm looking at here. Gonna have to take half off there just to be safe.
Can get a read on how weak this is here. Kodak.
Yeah, it's a tricky one because it feels like it wants to bounce.
Yeah, right around that 33, 34.
I guess where my average is.
I'm gonna guess 8, 34, 56, 7.
Ha 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 ha.
Order filled.
Just taking it toward me here, thinking.
Yeah, I took some off there. It won't. I had my order at 26. It wouldn't go. This has been another one where it just keeps tapping my orders and just no fill.
Probably early as usual, but
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get closer to VWAP for my last little bit, just because it made me wait for it.
wife's got a doctor's appointment, so I'm going to cut it early here, guys. Good luck rest of the day.
Later, Colin. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
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 Here, one more little push. Keep going. Keep going. You know you want that. There it is.
Order filled.
All right, all out of Kodak.
Down to leftovers KODK. B/E stop blah blah.
You have shorts on BBBY. Bed Bath Beyond.
I do, but I don't like that chart at all. These are the charts I was talking to Colin about the other day, where it comes up to the resistance area and it just hangs out there. It's usually a recipe for it's going to try to move higher. Plus, it's a meme stock, and it's a bigger company. And I have never really traded it well, to be completely honest. I think I'm actually like positive on it, net positive, but at the same time, we don't get along.
Kodak would have got where I wanted it. I jumped out because my damn phone rang.
It finally dumped a little. Took long enough. It didn't really die. Did get the 806 though. It's been just working its way down. All about the same size candles.
Yeah, I had it at 812. But like I said, my phone rang, so I took it off.
What was your average?
Let me see. I think it was like 24, 25.
So you kind of started it way earlier than me.
Yeah, 824.
That's what I need to do sometimes. Is just imagine that my average is lower than it really is.
I was going to get into BBY, but glad I didn't, because that was just as bad as Kodak was.
Got a little bit of this rally in IHT.
You down with IHT? Yeah, you know me.
Wish we had shorts on it.
EDRY, got a nice gap to fill.
Euro Dry Limited.
Reveal laundromats?
I guess.
Marine shipping. Dry bulk carrier
Logistics.
ship.
Kodak gonna go all the way back down to that 790 level, previous resistance. Old butt. Dang, PEI went all the way back to high of day. Look at that thing. Couldn't have traded that any better, I guess. Ooh, LI went all the way back to low a day. It did try to go back to high day though first. It's not low a day. Not even close really.
I was
Bounced
surprised
straight.
LI didn't rally with all the other ones yesterday.
Yeah, it looked like it tried and just never took off. It was quite the hangover play there, actually, and then it just said, no, no, no. Were you waiting for the $50 pop there, Thomas, for an ad?
Yes.
Yeah, that sucks.
My finger was on the trowel's hold, smashing the button. I'm sitting there holding and holding. I'm like, dude, you can take it there. You're only a few cents off. Take it there. Take it there. It's like, come on.
You know what I did a couple times today, actually, and I've done it in the past a bunch of times too, is when it gets to that point, if it looks like it doesn't want to break, split that order in half. So that way you at least get some shares up there. But if it does pop and then you try to get the top of that, it'll still give you your average ad price, I guess, above the $50, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. And then right after the bell, I made a change, which probably allowed me to get into Kodak a whole lot easier. In my infinite wisdom, I had increased my share size, even though my account did not justify it. And I find I was very hesitant to pull a trigger. And I was like,
DSX.
your brain's messing with you. This ain't you. You need to go back to where you need to be.
We've got shorts on DSX. On CMA.
Yeah, we do too.
Had a big rally just now.
Kind of volume out of nowhere though, so I'm gonna give it a sec. Is this all-time highs too?
Yeah.
No, it's right. No,
647? No.
you gotta scroll back a little bit, but it's
We
not.
gotta go to 13 something.
It's right at a key level though from 2018. It's kind of hanging out here. Is there any news? I'm assuming there was something.
I can check.
Volume out of nowhere. Oh, there we go.
No news to justify this right now. It had
Order
good
filled.
earnings back on the 21st, but nothing to justify this.
Taking a stab at it. I'm just looking for the $5 test. I'm pretty small in it too, to be honest. Not really looking to get too crazy on one of these plays.
Looks like the volume's running out on it.
Yeah, I definitely don't like that. Look at BBBY. That thing is a tank.
Yeah. Broke 30. Jeez.
I think Brian started that under 29. Let's say if you're gonna go, go. None of this hanging around here, bull, because now I'm gonna have to probably get out for a smaller amount.
Just couldn't do that 520 break, bitch.
I know. I was part of me was kind of hoping it did and just went. Well, I might get another shot here. Just looking for the small 5-10 break at this point. It's kind of, I'm already annoyed at this trade. It's definitely not doing what I wanted it to do.
It's probably moving off of EDRY shipping stuff.
Ain't Christmas yet. Yeah, I'll have to post a picture of them. They are cute. They're so old now. Feel bad for them.
Future 520. Dude, this thing
One's deaf,
shut
one's
me down.
blind. I just want the quick 5-10 break. That'd be good. Can't even get the 5-10. It keeps getting bought right here at 5-11. There's been a spread here each time too. It's never been 1 cent when it gets here. Oh, there it goes. For a split second. Hey, 5-10. Go, go, go.
Huge size at 5.10 DSX.
Dude, it's flirt.
Did you get it at that trend line there?
Yeah.
What's my order at 506? What is this spread? I was at 506. Of course, it went right to 507 with a 3-cent spread.
Freaking BBBY.
Yeah, dude, that thing is nuts.
BBBY.
Oh, EDRY is almost gap filled. Nope.
I'm about
These
to
two
take
are
this
moving
off.
the same, almost.
Order filled.
I took that thing off. It's annoying as shit. And now it'll dump the 5 probably.
Gap filled.
I wasn't watching. It doesn't count.
Fuck you then.
Screw you, DSX. Like, seriously. That was like the gayest moving trade.
Shippers seem to move after their news. It takes a day, like a day to a couple weeks. I haven't followed much shippers news.
More with the eggplant. I'm just gonna stay away from BBBY, man. This thing is scary. Huge company, meme stock. Like, yeah, it's making pretty decent pops, but they're just watching them. Like, they're just letting them happen. And then they're just, people just keep buying it up. The next level I have on the daily is at 33. Hey Sammy, what's up, man? Yeah, we finally had a decent day without any huge setbacks. I swear, like every time we have a few good trades, we always end up with like one decent red trade, and it always brings us back down. Which I think would have been BBBY if we would have suckered ourselves into it. But if Colin was still watching or still here, this is like a perfect example of what I was trying to tell him. Actually, I'm gonna message him this. BBBY 98% institutional owned, plus trap shorts, plus Reddit meme stock. Oh geez. Oh geez. Yeah, I don't know if I don't want any part of it. There goes DSX going higher. Yeah, what's AMC doing? It's nuts. Look at that aftermarket. This is my first time looking at AMC today. I did not realize it made that move aftermarket and pre-market.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Be nice to wake up to that if you held it overnight.
Oh, I'm sure I mean, that's the thing. These meme guys, man, they got it down in the 20s and stuff. They're just laughing their asses off. Look at BBBY. Holy smokes.
Picked up some that.
Long?
Oh yeah. I can't short it.
Buy high. Buy high, hope higher, baby. Let's go.
Hey, it's just been rallying, man.
Yeah, no, I can't. Look at it go. Holy smokes.
I feel like I got out of it early too.
It's going to go right to that 33 mark.
I feel like 32.60 should have been my get out.
Not bad. I want to short that thing.
Oh, dude, you have no idea. If that move right there went to 33, I probably would have took some like small shares.
Yeah, definitely would have been with you.
Actually, just gonna put them in just in case. I'm talking like real small too. I'm not ruining my day on this piece of crap. But you can't deny a move like this. It's pretty intense. Oh yeah.
there's only 2 really big candles. The rest of them all are the same size. It's like pretty much a grinder just going.
Well, yeah, look at the 9. This is kind of exactly what I'm talking about. Like, if you just pulled this chart up and you saw the 9 where it's at compared to VWAP, you'd be like, I don't know about this one.
It's starting to look heavy, man. Glad I'm out of it.
BBBY.
Every time I say that, though, it rallies.
Wait, what? What's that mean, Brian? Does that mean that's where you smash the crap out of it? CPHI. I just wanted to see this go higher just so it can annoy me. What did this wick get down to, by the way? 504. So yeah, it probably would have got us. If that was a real wick, it was weird because I never saw the price change. What was that one that was just up there?
Noise.
Okay.
BBBY.
Holy smokes. Talk about a fake out. CPHI, that was it. Rocket's going. That's an even bigger company.
$32.60. Just crushing it, bro.
That was a huge fake out by BBBY. They're like, finally a pullback. No. $18.50 pop here on Rocket. I might be in.
What's moving?
RKT.
Order filled.
RKT plus 19 PLS.
BBY about to hit 33.
Yeah, I'm not playing BBBY. Thank you. Not after what it just did there. No thanks.
With your fake out.
Yeah, that was scary. All the way up here after that move, and it's going to fake out and make a pop like that. No, I'm good. We're on the bid. On the bid again.
Order filled.
Just going to take it. Small scalpy scalp on RKT.
RKT dollar bill y'all.
It would not stay under 50.
Arctic?
Yeah, I had to take it off.
Hashtag Metug on
Yeah, I
Saturday.
just wanted the quick 50 test. It wouldn't fill me. It kept hitting me on the bid. I had to end up taking it myself, and of course it right after that went through. But I was just really small. I'm going to be really small the rest of the day if I take any trades. So just stacking at this point.
Yeah, I don't think I ever recovered from the Chris trade, and I had to reduce my size, get back, and get my confidence.
Dude, the
But
next resist on BBBY is 34.15.
really, because I don't see almost anything until that like crazy move it made.
Yeah, on the day.
Yeah, on the daily. This is a big spot for it right here.
CPHI met 73K to borrow. Penny. Proba
Here goes
pass.
RKT again. This wants to go right to the halt price. I might actually jump back in. Is there news on RKT? This was volume out of nowhere.
SKT.
Rocket
Is this
Company
going because SKT's probably going because of RKT? Are they the same?
Morgan Stanley lowers its price point to 18.
That's why it's taken off. I don't like the volume there on SKT. RKT, I was hoping for the 19 pop.
Yeah, I haven't bolt up. I never pulled the trigger on SKT or RKT on that second pop.
BBBY, man, you would have to think it's just a matter of time. But that was a scary point for it to break. Right there.
I'm in it long.
Good for you. It's a crazy breakout point there on the daily.
RKT-THX.
Yeah, I wish I would have got RKT again, but I wanted through 19 the way that was moving. And now once it settles down, it's just going to chop because it's a huge company. So you really had to get it on that big move.
I'm manually trailing my stop on BBBY. 34 reject. Go down to 3. I feel like it's not done yet, though. Not by any means. Its all-time high is what, 53.93?
Yeah, it's up there.
No, 79. Imagine if it made it to 79 today.
RKT outmost, trail.
This thing is nuts.
BBBY now it's getting primed.
Dude, that's so confusing. I just want to like see him trade this thing live. Brian, show me this live if you're still watching. I want to see it. I hope you traded it with FP, even though he probably didn't.
DSX $.
Yeah, DSX finally worked out. Look at that. Took forever. This is a nutty move.
35, fucking moving my stop to 34.48.
So you got stopped that quick?
Oh, it easily makes 40-cent moves. But I'm still green with my stop where it is. Oh my god! What a monster!
See the fake outs, man. That's why I'm not playing this. I don't care. I'm not getting suckered into this thing. I keep saying that, and I'm just like, I want to short it so bad.
It's gotta give up eventually, right?
Well, that's the thought process. It's like, when, but people were thinking that down at 30. I mean, this is extended. Don't get me wrong.
I don't know if you've got RSI up on the daily, but it is disgusting. Holy shit, it's not even at 90 yet. It's at 77.
I will say though, look at that volume bar. I wouldn't be surprised if that's it.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, dude. I'm like, oh, I want to hit it. I want to hit it.
1.8 million.
Yeah, but look at how much bigger it was than all the other volume bars.
Yeah,
Look at it.
it's
This just thing is insane. And if you scroll in, I mean, each bar is, I mean, they're not, like, there's not that one crazy bar yet.
Wow, I meant to move my take profit up and it failed me.
You look at the 10-minute chart, there's not a single red one, and each green bar just gets bigger, 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 bigger.
Oh, wow, yep. It's crazy.
It was a nice top tick though.
If you look at the 2 minute, look at how many 3-bar plays there are. There's 3 of them.
4.
Where do you see 4? I only see 3 red bars.
I see 4 red bars on mine.
On the 2 minute?
Yep. On
The heck?
trading views, so I could probably.
I mean, it should all be the same as far as close and open. Look at this thing.
It's gonna get rejected off 37 real quick.
You just set that at 33.
I know I did!
Every whole dollar, it's gonna get a rejection.
It's a little bit of a rejection, yeah. It rejects about 20 to 40 cents. And then just rallies back up.
DOS, I see 4 red bars.
Scrolling back in. Oh, what the heck? Now I do. Oh, wait. Scroll in just a little bit further. The candle at 1040, it like turns green.
Not on mine. It doesn't.
Watch here. Watch this.
Stream up.
No, 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 no. I'm posting on Discord.
I'll just push it. Yeah, if you go, yeah. I just saw it on your
See,
screen.
I was gonna say you can see the second candle if you look at Discord or whatever. You can see it goes from red to green if you scroll in that one more click.
BBBY yup yup yup. OWTF.
Turns into a hammer.
Yeah, it's weird.
Mine's not
Head's
doing
checking
it,
it out.
My mouse thing might be different.
Whoa, yeah, look at pets. What's that all about? Volume sucks, but crazy move.
Yeah, that's a little bit on. Oh, fine, sucks.
Pump and dump. Holy hell.
All those people buying the dip there. I want to get in it. Oh,
This
the
thing
37,
is crazy. 37, then it'll be 38, then it'll be 39.
yeah, well, I'm saying it'll reject a bit.
And when we get to 40, we'll start counting by twos instead of just, it'll be 40, then 42.
all that money.
Back down to 36.
Goes pets being silly. Hey, you were right. It rejected 37.
Right? That was a huge move down, though. Oh.
There's so many buyers.
It went 37.
Yep, 137.
$38, next rejection.
I actually don't think so. 38.50.
Yeah, it might have been a little fake out breakout there. Might get the actual
Yeah.
pullback.
Nope, nope.
Back in time, could fund my account.
Reduced. But still there.
Ooh, yeah.
That was
Your
hard.
guys' time. Might be your guys' time now.
No, no, I'm good.
Nope.
BBBY added back. Nobody likes a quieter.
Oh my god.
Are they faster routes? Because they're fast as hell now.
Yeah, Sammy, I wasn't
Tempting
playing
to use
this.
shorts.
I don't like playing these huge companies.
RMED.
Just did a $2
Evidently, you need to go watch a couple more videos of what we like.
Well,
There's
What
other
are you
stock
talking about?
too,
This is a perfect
LOL.
setup for you guys.
And TB here.
Might be the backside.
B1.
37 is the key. I'm waiting for the training.
36, Axel. Coming right to you.
Structured plan, you know.
Took you for a little bit of a
Got
ride.
about 2 years worth of videos.
2.5 now. Ish. Yeah, started in August of 18 or 19. Yeah, 19. No, 18.
They're pretty.
Well, the videos I think started February of 19. I started trading in August of 18. That's what it is. So yeah, like a year and like 3 months or so. This thing right back to the highs. We didn't have shares. I would have played that if we
Neither
did.
we.
Oh, you didn't? Okay.
It feels exhausted.
That's what they want you to think.
Well, I'm hoping it.
If this thing is truly being manipulated, which it really feels like it does, they're going to give you a pullback. And they're going to be part of it. Like they're going to I remember watching a video, it was like Confessions of a Market Maker or something like that. There it goes.
There it goes.
And they will literally
BBBY plus HOD.
they will literally paint a picture on a chart for you. Just so that people like they know what people are looking for as far as technical, so they'll make it look like that's going to happen. And then once they got you all your orders in, later Gator. Like this. Everyone was probably like, "Oh, yep, okay, rejected there 3 times. It's time to have a real pullback." And the people manipulating were like, "Okay, good, thank you. Thanks for your orders. Come again." Look at this thing. Holy shit. What you didn't even say it rejected 38 cuz it fucking went right through it.
Well, I said it was going to reject at 38.50 actually.
Well, it didn't.
It almost rejected at 39.
Yeah, it's 38.80. This thing is nuts.
A lot of shares were bought at 36.
Look at that, right? Look at that spike. 39 was like, whatever. Like we're in stupid territory now. Like this thing's gonna just be whipping back dollars.
Yeah, I just looked and saw my montage was unlocked. I was like, why is it unlocked? Like, you gonna play this?
Yeah, I'm not touching this thing. If you've noticed, the 9 and the View app has looked the same this entire move.
Yep.
CPHI if you get 'em. Def Fun 1.
I'm at 37.
Oh, we had CPHI. I checked that earlier. Nope. Watch an EXPR 40. That thing's gonna just blow through it. Yeah, when you're to the point where it's just whipsawing back and forth $1, that's when you know you're in stupid territory. Especially when down at 29, it was, you know, whipsawing like maybe 10, 20 cents. Now you're talking dollars. It's crazy. Through 40, it probably goes like right to 41.50 or some shit. Here it goes. 40.50. Huh? I thought it would have went more further than that. That's probably why it's getting rejected like this.
CPHY started at 60 cents today. It's at $1.12.
100%, baby. Oh, it halted. Was that the top? The 40 pop? Was that it?
Hitman.
Holy I'll tell you, man, when it starts jumping dollars, oh man.
Said something about it a little while ago.
Yeah, I don't think, which one was it? Pets?
Pets.
Yeah.
BBY back in.
I didn't like the volume.
It's low.
This looks like the hard reject. Look at that volume candle. Remember when I said that down at like 35?
Yeah.
That volume candle? Look at that volume candle. That was nuts. That was a lot of shares going through.
Remember when you said that was a lot of volume? It was half of what it was gonna do.
Attention horse status.
Nice shooting star right there.
It is new off is at 35 now. It's at 35.02. 492 now.
Did you just cringe, Tim?
A little bit.
Oh, looking DT-ish on BBPY.
It's not even to the 9 yet.
Devin's gonna pop in chat and go, "Did you see BBY?"
He totally will too.
God damn, man, I hate this stuff.
It's funny too because now with things like this, you can't just use exact like bottom numbers of candles. You got to give it like 50 cents leeway.
Oh yeah. I'm starting
'Cause
to give
it's-
it 70.
Yeah, it's
That's
pretty
cheering, man.
crazy.
$170K.
If you'd used the 5-minute pivots, you'd still be in it long from whenever it started.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's nuts, dude.
Yeah, that's a nutty 5-minute chart. The 15's even just as crazy, obviously. Just all green.
It's the first time it's giving you a signal to sell. 5 minutes.
It's fighting this 38 area, though. Oh. Never mind. To the 9.
Pets is getting interesting.
Oh, wow. Just no volume, though, man. Oh. Fucking shoulder is killing me. Oh.
I'm afraid of BBBY now because it's at the 9. If it goes below it, it's just nothing but the K.
Thinking from the bag holder's perspective, I'll get in here at the 9. I'll add down at VWAP. Okay, we got previous daily resistance. It'll probably bounce there. I'll add again there. Shit, we're back to low a day. I'm not sure what to do here. Oh, I can't choose the margin call. Shit.
Guys, it got rejected off 37.
Yeah, the opposite way. If this thing shoots back the high day, holy shnikes. Holy shnikes.
I'm waiting for the next candle, which is in 5 seconds.
I was saying, this is either going to be a squeeze to high of day, and this thing's probably going to go bananas, or it's going to get rejected right around this area, and just it's going to be done. I mean, obvious, but I'm saying this area specifically because that's where it struggled on the way up and on the way down. So if it can get through here, this thing might go absolutely freaking nuts. Did this thing have any news, or is it just being a meme?
They added 3 new brands to their.
How are they even like still a company?
I don't know.
Like they're literally the
How
worst,
didn't they get
like
destroyed by
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah, exactly.
People love their BBY, especially with coupons.
I feel like you're right about.
Yeah, that 20% coupon. Yeah. To get the same thing, you can get online for basically the same price, shipped to your door.
I've been noticing though, Amazon's getting more expensive.
Well, they're starting their monopoly. They already started that crap by stealing products from people. Amazon Basics.
Yeah,
Oh, and those are the worst,
they
too.
wait for people to get good products and then they just start making them themselves.
Yep.
All started with the diapers.
This feels over, man.
My main monitor mount is actually Amazon Basics.
Is it?
It's literally the same mount as one that was twice the price. Like you can look at the specs, it's literally the same mount. It's just they make it instead of the other, and it's probably the same people making the same mount, just with a different label.
What? I just looked up Mad as March 21st final stats up $4 million on the month.
Oh my god.
That's crazy. Did you see he posted his new car yesterday that he got?
I don't want any part of people that do that.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know,
I'm done with this.
so Jersey Shore-ish.
Yeah. I mean, he's like the perfect storm for that. Like he's actually like, to me, the one guru that is legit and like, I don't know, I guess in a way deserves the right to show off. He's a cocky little thing, but yeah, but he's actually legit where all these other guys are just fake.
I get it. I don't, it's just not my thing. Just
Yeah. Well, and he's also young and, he's doing what he's doing. I can't say that at his age, if I had that kind of money, I wouldn't probably be doing the same thing.
probably. How old is he?
I think he's like 24, 26.
Oh, Jesus.
Actually, no, I think he's in his 30s now that I really think about it. I think I remember him saying that he was 30, even though he looks like he's 25.
Here it goes.
What, back to high day?
No, hit the 9, went below it a bit.
God, if I had
So back to high day is what you're saying?
Yeah,
God, I hope so.
I would think high day. It's favored the non all day.
Yeah, it's literally rode right above it pretty much every time. Although this is the first time it's made it curl a little bit. NAKD with a F ton of volume out of nowhere.
Well, naked to mean suck too.
I mean, it's also has no range. 73 cents, 74. Yeah, BBBY is about to go to VWAP or high of day. It's one or the other. It's not just going to like dip a little bit. It's either going to flush or it's going to skyrocket.
I mean, my gut is telling me it's gonna be flush.
I mean, it sure looks like it wants to flush. That's for sure. But that's exactly why it probably won't. I told you, man. So I'm not saying it's happening on this one, but I'll have to find. There it goes.
Look at that monster.
That's crazy, man. If this gets through 40, later. I'm gonna go find that interview. Hold on. But the guy literally used to be a market maker, and he was just straight up saying that, like, they would literally paint a picture on the chart. Like, you want a chart to look a certain way, like they would buy and sell to make it look just like it,
How about that?
just to suck people in.
Holy.
Whoa, told you.
How about that last one?
Which one?
Bye, no bye.
Wow.
That podcast with the market maker. With that
Yes,
great
yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah, I think I had posted it before at some point.
I have it saved somewhere.
How did you even do that in the 90s with your...
I found it. Yeah, if you get time, just watch it on like 2x or something. But just listen to that guy, dude. It's like creepy, like some of the stuff they say that they did in the past. Look at that rejection.
Yeah, I got rejected.
I thought for sure that was gonna at least go through Hive Day, like a little fake out type thing. I'm actually really surprised it didn't. Unless that was just the people that were manipulating this thing to begin with, getting rid of the last of their shares. Because that was a pretty big volume bump, but it wasn't high enough. Yeah, this thing's probably going to tank now. It's going to go from all the way up to high day, all the way down to VWAP in 3-4 minutes. Later.
Oh.
$31. Yeah, I think you're right about Mad As. And yeah, that podcast is pretty good. The I think Stocks to Trade, yeah, I follow. I'm actually subscribed to them. Actually, the market maker dude has his own channel, but I never really got into following him.
Chat's loving the chart, but spread sucks.
First 2 minute
Def
candle was
interested
above
there.
9.
Oh wow, the spread on pets is 40 cents. I just noticed that. I'm not interested in that anyway. It's a bit of a grinder as well. Yeah, BBBY looks pretty toast. What the heck was that?
This is where Devin would be getting in.
Okay. Colin's thing for joining the channel just came through on my OBS. What the heck? That's funny. What was that, Thomas?
I said Devin would be playing BBBY right now.
Yeah, it's definitely his move right here. Isn't it crazy to think that some people were actually entering shorts here and we're like that's kind of right where I think it's a 50-50.
Broke the 9. It's gonna go to VWAP, right?
I already called the one move that I could clearly see happening. It went the high day. I did think it would have broke through and actually started to run towards 50, to be honest, but it got rejected pretty good. But you could tell it was building up to either it was going to fly one way or the other. It wasn't just going to keep chopping.
Or it's gonna be a low volume pullback. 2 million shares.
Define low volume.
Oh, they're fucking with my work schedule.
Isn't that the best?
Well, I make my own schedule, sort of. We were only open from Thursday through Sunday. Now we're open. Well, we're open every day but Tuesday now. So it'll take a few weeks to readjust to when I gotta go supply the bar.
Workhorse is running.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe I'll even go back to bartending.
Look at
Double
that volume.
Up, but not yet.
That's volume out of nowhere.
Yeah, most of these have been for the most part. Remember at 29 when I said that was volume out of nowhere? Oh, it's crazy.
If I don't start making money by September, I may have to go back to work.
Work sucks. Work sucks. I know. She left me roses by the stairs. Surprises let me know she cares.
Started WHKS.
I do have a couple people want me to do some construction projects. I may hit them up then. I don't know if
WKHS
I'm ready to go back to
asterisk.
bartending.
I have a friend from high school who's been bartending at a place by the stadiums in Baltimore, and she makes ridiculous money.
Yeah, that last club I worked at for 14 years. I worked from 10 to 2 and I'd make $300 to $500 a night.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
I would
And
literally walk in, set the bar up, and it would just be slammed.
yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to get into specifics, but she was making like stripper money
Yeah, you can.
as a bartender. It's crazy. It's like I don't even have to like actually show my boobs. I just have to show cleavage.
That's true.
It's very true.
I really wanted to start WKHS, but I don't know. Kind of out of the mood. Getting kind of hungry.
AMC is up $3 from when I was looking. looking at it before BB goes bah.
Oh wow, that thing's about to take off. Jeez, the memes. What's GME at?
Yeah, and the flow's rotated, I think, on that one, AMC.
164. Oh yeah, yeah, it has. I think here's your last little pop of desperation on Bibby. AMC breaks that pre-market high, man, at 45. Watch out. Yeah, WKHS, man, it just feels a little weird the way it's trading. That's why I don't like these volume out of nowheres. It's usually for some stupid reason.
Wish I had that. Guts to play these meme stocks.
Pets huge volume. Oh. Huge for normal. Relative volume's 14 times what it normally is.
Slides has a nice $1.20 push.
What is Cost Corporation? What do they even do? KOSS.
Don't they make like headphones and shit like that?
Say you must not. You must be young.
No. I never heard of them.
They used to be big back in Radio Shack days.
View app incoming on Bibby.
I don't know what they do now. I'm sure some of the same, but I don't know what they're.
Carat $$ on way.
It's amazing that something ships within the same states can take 3 days to get to the coast.
It is insane. pumping pets up. Pets had a bad earnings.
So is Reddit just going around pumping stocks with bad news and bad earnings?
No, I think.
Because that sure doesn't look
they're
like bad
noticing-
earnings.
Let me see here. Missed it by 6 cents. Their stock estimate. Total of.
Long pets up
74.
only 26%. Now it's 32%.
But what I've been noticing is that the funds are doing the opposite of what the earnings say. So they'll pump it up and then they'll short it on bad earnings. Next tomorrow, I bet you it'll be down.
This is also a meme stock too. It's like they're definitely getting extra help.
Want some salt, pepper, calamari?
Yes, please.
Tasty.
I picked it up by accident. Somehow the package got mixed in with the shrimp that I bought. I'm not a huge calamari fan.
Love calamari.
It's a bit rubbery for me.
If
Reminds me
it's
of
cooked
eating-
correctly, it shouldn't be.
Yeah, it reminds me of eating octopus. Not a whole lot of taste, it's rubbery. Been a while since I made it. Hopefully,
There's a place up in Lake that it's a really good calamari. Hi, Moochie Cat.
Pop used to eat those fish you get from the Chinese restaurant with the heads on.
Oh yeah.
He used to love those when I was a kid. Grossed me out.
That they can have that.
Just like the people that eat the guts on the lobster.
My grandparents did that, man.
Yeah, there's a place in Maine that takes the guts and they mix it with like stuffing, like turkey type stuffing, and it's really good.
Look at pets. Holy shit.
Yeah, he just pulled it back up, and then I looked at the spread. I was like, holy shit.
Oh yeah, the spread's been bad the whole time.
Looking for 40.85. My cat's throwing up. Very good, yes. on my shirt. You did. We've got shorts.
I haven't pulled up, never looked.
BBBY out.
Wowzers.
Are you
Bibby.
kidding?
Jesus.
Remember when you
Is
said
this
you
the
started
fight?
getting VWAP?
No.
I remember like 5
They,
times.
they painted the picture. I honestly did think it was going to touch VWAP on that descending triangle. I thought they were going to try to get the stop losses. There was a ton of stop losses sitting there under 37, and they never took them. I'm surprised.
Yeah, not a ton. If I was a market maker, I would scoop them all up.
Yeah, because I'm sure you could have went 36.90s to 80s and then made this move, but maybe the big guys didn't want them anymore. Maybe they're done with it.
Which one are you talking about?
Bibby, big BBBY.
Yeah, he got back in. I think he restarted it.
Brian did?
Yeah, if you go
Oh,
back
shit.
up, somewhere he restarted it. Yep, BBB will back in.
Oh, yeah. Attention horror status, yeah. Yeah, I see he said ouch, but I thought that was, he just meant for people still in it. I didn't know he was in it.
He's referring to himself.
That sucks.
I just looked at the YouTube scanners. It's funny. The ready to rip scanner has pets and BBY on it.
Jesus.
And AMC. I never understood that scanner.
Pets is on a wall right now.
Also on action is heating up. That fucking scanner.
Isn't the TI scanner?
Yep.
Yeah, when things slow down, you get bored, you just go see what the other piece of shit's dishing out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like Barry's watch list.
Barry. Devin used to be in love with him.
Really?
I don't even know
Yeah.
that.
He's the guy who runs the Trade Ideas free chat room.
Yeah, the YouTube. So when I was first learning how to do trade ideas, I would go to that and ask questions.
Yeah, they need rooms like that because Trade Ideas like makes no sense.
It's hard. Like I
It
figured
is.
it out to where I could get it to where it stops showing me constantly something in Momo, so I have it set to stop repeating every 15 minutes.
Takes a while to dial it in. People are starting to move over to this free kind of one called Chart Watcher. Chartwatchers.com.
Once my year's up on IT, I'm gonna move over to ISW.
Yeah,
TI, you mean?
TI canceled last month.
TI, my bad. Need some money off this BBBY again. That's a nice looking graph you got there, bud.
It's from the beginning of the year.
When
I like
you
to post it
lose,
every
how
once in a
much-
while.
When you lose, how much are you losing?
The max I can lose is what I try to make on a daily basis times 6.
Oh.
So like if I, just as an example, if I was trying to make $100, I could lose $600, but that's max. So like right now, if I'm trying to make 30, I can lose 180 max.
BGS great chart.
Which that
So
top,
slow, though.
the top one where you see the big drawdown, that was actually like $212, I think. When I had it set to 180, but it was, I had some slippage on the exit.
And we always say that when you lose like that, it's only a matter of time. It's time.
Yep, just time lost.
That your loss to time back ratio is getting better.
Yeah, it actually, yeah, that V looks a little sharper. Well, that other one, man, that was a heartbreaker. That one was like 300. That was like $380 or something. That was when I was still trying to do 50, but my max loss was higher. But I was never actually making 50 a day. That's when I was making 30, and that's when I adjusted everything after that, and we've been pretty good since then. Because it really made no sense. Like I was trying to make 50 a day, but the way that my share size was, I was only making 30 a day, but yet my max loss was still at 300. So yeah, I was trying to only lose 6x, but that's if I was making 50 a day, but I wasn't. So I ended up losing 10x what I was actually making. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to change anything except for my max loss, because I don't ever really get to that amount anyway. And if I do, it shouldn't be all the way up at, 10x. It should only be 6x, which was the plan originally, but I just wasn't making my goal every day. So it made sense to me that if I just do exactly what I'm doing and keep making that 30 a day, but yet I lower my max loss to that 6x, then that's where my share size should have been all along. I just didn't have it right to begin with. So now when I scale up, everything can just be multiplied by the same number. That'd be nice and easy, which was the plan all along, but I obviously didn't have the numbers right. And it took that one stupid big loss to figure it out. Pet's finally getting a pullback. Like an actual pullback, it looks like. Not this fake BBBY pullback. O'Brien posted his chart. Let's see this thing. That's a lot of arrows. So he got out of the small position back there. Nice Photoshop, Brian.
Bucket fill.
Holy smokes, did he smash the crap out of that thing?
Is he recorded?
Dude, yeah, here, I'll put it in the Discord.
Post it in Discord.
I don't think he minds. It's just part of the game. That's what I'll tell you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I always wondered that. But I mean, I use orange, but I don't know. That's my favorite color. That's why I use it. And maybe pink's his favorite color.
I see people once they've done it long enough, the color of the bars don't really matter.
Yeah, they don't. I'm actually surprised he still has his as two separate bar, or like two different colors. But he probably rarely even looks down there. I know I don't really. I usually just look down there in amazement.
I notice it at the corner of my vision. Like when I see it rallying up or down, I'll see
Yeah.
the bar
I
rise.
look at it for exit signals.
I've noticed too that sorry.
BGS.
Brian just caught up in my stream. What is BGS doing? I didn't even see that on the scanner. Whoa, what is BGS doing? I didn't even see that on the scanner.
It was on
Did I miss it?
ENG Foods. BGS has good earnings. That was on the 11th though. You guys have shorts on BGS?
Yes. Look at this thing go.
Yeah, it's kind of killing it right now.
Order filled.
I just realized I got filled under 34. What the heck? I hit it when it said
The
34.07 or
activist
something.
hedge fund? We're gonna get a new Windows on the 24th.
Oh God! So I should prepare for everything to break.
Probably.
Set my delay upgrade. It's full Windows Mobile.
They're trying mobile again.
No, saying
Oh.
they're making it mobile. Yeah, Windows phones. Those are a great success.
Yeah, they sure were.
Order filled.
Two of my friends have one.
Scalpy, scalpy.
I digged up BGS.
I put my order at 33.33. I thought it was cool, but it didn't flush down there, so I took it. I was super small as usual in the afternoon with these crazy ones. Did you see BGS on the scanner, Thomas?
Yeah.
No, I heard you call it. I pulled it up, put in the shares, and started it a little too soon.
Showed up on the i3 scan.
Just the regular i3 scan?
Yeah.
Why would it not be on the Ultra, though? That doesn't make any sense.
Your scanners and my scanners are always way different.
So weird. Don't you do 33.33? Not yet. Go to high day first. I'm just kidding, because I think Brian's in this, so go down. 38. It's got to go 33.33. Go, 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 go. It's just like, oh, there it is. How much more would I have made if I did that? 22 cents. That would have been better. I'll take my 50 cents though, 40 cents. I thought I hit it on the north side of 34, but it actually filled me at 33.96. That's kind of gay.
Is BlackBerry finally making something happen?
Yeah. It's like what's left. Naked's been on there too, but we don't play those.
Speaking of pets, I think you old ass snoring dog should become a channel mascot. Every channel needs a mascot. And I'm nominating your snorting dog. He's so old though. She's so old too. So sad. Wish I could be more patient on these. I get to these like $50 breaks and it's like they try to bounce, but I really like the way that I trade these, because just as many times as it does this where it tries to bounce and fails, they also go back to high of day. So very content just taking my piece. Granted, I'm taking much smaller share size in the afternoon. That's why it doesn't seem like they're adding up, but they stack. Afternoon, man, it's a little bit more risky in my opinion, so I have no problem taking smaller share size just to kind of stack them up. No reason to let one trade in the afternoon ruin your whole day.
Yeah, they're heavy. So is Overstock.
It's NFTs.
All right, I need some participation by the 13, well, maybe 15. That's giving me two different numbers for that. Do you guys want me to stay here while I am making lunch and eating lunch, or you want to just end it and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning? I'm going to go start making the lunch, hopefully to come back to your answers, and we'll go from there. Be right back.
All right. Which one of you guys is in AMC from $33 and didn't say anything?
BBBY.
Yeah, BBBY is the stock today.
I don't know. AMC running $20 ain't bad.
Got it at 28.66.
Tim, did you see DBX on that first pop?
He's AFK.
Wow, AMC hit $50, huh?
Did it really?
It's at $52.
Who's gonna do it? It's gonna stick around for it.
It's too expensive for me now.
53.
NKLA up 7 Bico.
Oh. I think I played that thing like 20 days ago. Maybe even just yesterday. I don't know when it was. Might have been 2 days ago. Would have just helped.
More than that because of the weekend. It was Thursday or Friday we played it. I want my $60 back.
The one share. You're even.
Oh, I think about 5. Right at the top.
Now,
and then
now you only need one share.
yeah.
Carrot just stalking it.
Dumb $3.
Damn, Thomas. You and BGS? That a boy?
No, I'm red on it, dude.
Wait, what?
Want like 18.20 to 18.40.
Yeah, you need to take that back.
How are you red? Hold on. Oh, I didn't see that green arrow up there. I looked. All I saw was the red. I thought it was another red arrow.
Yeah, it looks like a red arrow.
Yeah, no, I tapped out right at that freaking high day, dude. Jumped up and got me.
BBB. Getting heavy rather.
Picked up BGS from scanner. Not sure why you didn't see it. Yes, it's coming.
Trying to eat that big hamburger that Devin was trying to eat.
And maybe I'll start vlogging. Vlogging my lunch. Next thing you know, I'll be vlogging buying an exotic supercar. Like, it's just crazy to me that all I can think of... Hold on, let me see what GBR's doing. That he's making and losing in one trade what I'm worried about paying for the next 30 years. It's disgusting.
Watching V use the eye. Never mind.
Vozy.
The UZI just got 2 FDA approvals.
Oh, so that's about to go cray-cray is what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm going to finish making my lunch. What, Thomas, what was the ticker? I heard you say, did I see it on the first pop? What ticker was that?
Delta Bravo X-ray.
DBX. No, never saw that. Was it on the scanner? Yeah, it was.
I saw it on the second pop come up on the scanner, but I didn't see the first one.
Yeah, it's another huge company. 11 bill market cap, huge float.
Glasses on TCX.
Holy AMC, what the?
Don't even look at it, dude.
$4. I think I almost bought that at 10. I would have sold it though by now.
What did it get to during the meme push? Only 20? Holy smokes. Can you imagine the people still holding from down there at like 5 to 10? AMC making some millionaires. Look at this meme stock just go. This is crazy. The meme stocks. I was telling somebody last night at baseball because they were, you know, it's that saying where when people start talking about stocks that have no idea what stocks even are, like, you know, it's like, it's at the FOMO point. It's at the euphoria spot. And there was a guy last night. He was like, "Guess what I'm in? GME and AMC." And I'm like, "Oh my god."
He is laughing at you right now.
Well, I didn't say anything. What I said was in a year or two, like 1 to 2 years from now, Reddit will not have any kind of influence like it does now. That was all I said. I was like, it's just another fad. It will pass. But right now, it's fucking fun as shit to watch. It really is. Like, look at this thing. Look at it just go. This is crazy. Like, you would get some like this every once in a while. Like, maybe 3, 4, 5 times a year. But we have it, like, on multiple stocks all at the same time. It's pretty fun to watch. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I told you guys from the very beginning I wasn't trading these. And for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
No, man,
And you're just...
a lot of told shorts thing.
Well, that's what I'm saying. People think that if they just buy and hold, that all these shorts are going to have to squeeze and, you know, they're going to get margin called and blah, 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 blah. And they're not wrong. They're not wrong. Like, people are losing their accounts, but I don't think the people that they think are blowing their accounts are necessarily blowing their accounts. Although they might be. I mean, I'm sure they're very secretive about it. I mean, what was it? Citadel had to borrow like 300 million or some bullshit, whatever it was.
I think it was in the billion.
Billion, yeah, whatever it was. But that's what I'm saying. It's like
Somewhere
in their head, yeah, in their head, they're saying this is a great investment because do you really think GME is going to stay up here? Like, there's no effing way any big fund or bank or anything thinks that GME is going to stay up here. Not a chance. It's just a matter of weathering the storm.
Holy shit.
AMC is it's halting. Holy shit! It's halting. Yeah, it's trying to halt right now. Holy shit! It's gonna halt. It's halting. Holy shit! Look at all the volume just rolling through.
That's insane.
Why is it not halted yet? There it goes.
There it is.
All right, I'm gonna make my lunch so I can eat lunch while watching.
I'm in. Oh god, $37 in balance. Oof.
I think that's correct. Although I'll put a buy order in for 37.75 and see if it hits when it opens.
That's insane, dude. $30 stock in the morning. 37. Jesus.
We're gonna drop it, make it SSR tomorrow.
I mean, meanwhile, fucking, I'm just making pennies.
One of the scanners was telling me to short AMC.
I can't wait to see what it does when it.
You and probably everyone else.
Yeah.
Short AMC. Is
Short
that really a good idea?
You put an order out, Steve?
38.50. Yep. I'll splurge.
How much did it cost to locate?
Oh, I'm not shorting it. I'm buying it at 38.50.
Oh,
Oh no, there's no shorts. There's no shorts on AMC.
shouldn't be.
Those things dried up a few weeks ago, I think.
Casa's going crazy now.
Yeah, I took some of cost too.
Got more guts than I do.
You kind of just gotta do it, man.
Yeah, I know. Well, I've done it twice, and I lost $60 the first time and 150 the other time. So I'm like, fuck this shit. That's my own fault because I sit there and wait too long.
I tend to stay in way too long, honestly. Like I could have stayed in costs, and I would have made another $2 or another dollar. Like Blackberry's back up the highs.
You're on the halt.
Bath & Beyond is back up to the highs.
Break 43.
Whoa, man.
Am I just in time? 26, 31, 42. Look at that. Just in time. 15 seconds. BBBY, dude, the memes are taking over.
They really are.
What's the imbalance at AMC?
37.42.
Oh, no. It opened up there.
56.
Whoa! Buy the dip. Buy the dip.
Oh.
Dip. That's
Dude,
not
I bet you Mad As is all over this long right now.
Cause is dying too.
They're all gonna die now. They were waiting to see what AMC did. Look at BBBY. Holy smokes. Look at them. They're all dying at once. Wait. Oh. AMC back to highs. You think they all go back to highs?
Look at that freaking drop.
Wow. They're all doing it. Look, they're all gonna halt down. Holy smokes.
Whoa.
$10 drop. And
Man, I freaking hit the
They're
wrong
all
button.
gonna halt.
KL and got out.
Yep. BBBY is trying to halt too. Oh my God. This is crazy.
Blackberry's tanking too.
Wow. That's great. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty awesome. Oh, Blackberry or Bed Bath & Beyond didn't halt. You know how many people just lost their accounts both wise?
Look at EXPR too, man. That tanked.
Axel, you sound like Mad As. That's what I mean. That's essentially what he does.
Bed Bath & Beyond for the first time hitting its VWAP.
I guess now we know which ticker was driving all of this.
Apparently.
guess all those people were happy all day until now.
So I can't imagine. Can you imagine the people that bought into that halt long? I'm not missing it. It's going to 100. Oh, my account. Shit.
I need to transfer more money into my investment account.
I just looked at the negative free scanner. They're all there. Buy the dip.
Now that AMC's halted, they're all rallying again.
What volume did you do to cryptocurrency?
Oh yeah, I heard Doge got on the Coinbase. What the heck's that all about?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, that was yesterday.
How can they do that? That like would totally discredit Coinbase to me. It's literally a meme stock designed to be a meme. And you're gonna next you're gonna be able to buy a Tesla with it.
I don't even know why I'm considering getting into BBBY right now. Not until AMC gets out of its halt again.
Incomplete news.
Talking about Biden and crypto? I heard about ransomware.
No, it just says Biden administration expanded cryptocurrency analysis, and it says, I think it says Pulaski, and then that's it.
BGS is back up.
Oh yeah, that's part of the ransomware thing.
BGS?
See, no cryptocurrency analysis.
Oh.
BGS bonus round.
Article.
There goes BGS again. Still not on the scanner.
It was on mine.
Do you have the regular i3 up?
No, the Ultra.
Why is it not coming up on mine? Does it have a float?
Not sure. And I didn't take it.
Yeah, it says 64 mil float.
Doesn't show float on ours. On mine. AMC back up.
Okay. Okay.
It's a nice dip buy.
Wow.
Holy smokes. Back to highs. Here we go.
Back into BBBY.
Dude, all these gonna go right back up. Look at this thing.
That's
Oh, it
what I'm
can't.
betting.
It's gonna halt. It has to halt at 57.53. It's there that quick. What a bounce. Mad Ass gonna be like, I just paid for my house.
Wow, that would have sucked. Can you imagine you got stopped out and then it goes right back up? You're like, fuck.
$35 ago, Mad Ass said AMC ATM machine washout long mode, up over $500,000 in the day now.
Holy shit.
I have a huge assumption that he's up more than that now. Look at this thing go. It was like they purposefully didn't halt it so they could make it go higher.
Buy orders was crazy.
Twinkie is up? What is going on?
Wow. 11.3 million in one candle.
It's probably going to 100. It very well could if it gets back to the highs. AMC has some kind of mark next to it on my IB watch list now. AMC shares are trading higher amid renewed interest from retail investors. The company yesterday announced it raised $230.5 million of new equity from Mudrick Capital. So I guess that's the news that they're flying on.
What they do, pay all their debt off last time.
Yeah.
Now they're just, yes, please, more cash.
You'd be stupid not to.
Oh, of course. I'm just saying they're loving it.
Yeah, yeah.
Same with all the YouTubers. God.
Blue apron popping off.
Blue apron.
Yeah.
WKHSEXPR bought 300 KTB, to borrow, going to use that from now on. Asterisk both.
YouTube is saying this is not the squeeze yet.
It's coming.
BGS paying sell.
The short interest is still there. Oh.
This thing's going to go back to higher day, isn't it?
AMC?
Yeah.
BBBY another wash coming in a few. Imo of course. YOLO full buying power short BBBY.
Robinhood just stopped trading on AMC.
Oh, Oh shit, here we go again.
Yeah.
APRN up. In starter, would love 6.20. 6.20, I am with you.
Robin Hood's like, we got away with it before. We might as well just keep doing it until we get caught. Oh wait, AMC's at all-time highs? Or they were?
No, I'm in skills right now.
BGS trail.
Their all-time high was somewhere around 36.50.
This guy posted that earlier then. Oh, so yeah, they're way in profit.
I think Steve had an order out. I wonder if it got filled.
Pretty sure he was kidding.
No, he was dead serious. He was like 35 or something, right?
Yeah. But he puts those orders out and they'll cancel.
I never really got close to that. I'd be low of day.
It did not fail. Shockingly, my 38.50, the order did not fill. I am very disappointed.
Next time, bud.
Omi's back up to 43. If that makes you feel any better.
Shut up. Just cut your grass, man.
Hey, until you change your name, I'm gonna probably keep bringing it up.
You're out of your depth.
Well, nothing else has neither made me happy nor ticked me off, so there's no reason to change it. I'm not going to change it just to change it. Yeah, there's got to be a purpose in it.
This skills push is nice.
Can you
Holy
buy
shit.
somebody?
Now I gotta go on Reddit and see what they're saying.
If you buy AMC stock, it comes with popcorn. It's the greatest capital market innovation of the century. Thanks.
That
Stout.
was nice. What a good rally, man.
uses 20 million to expand small meal delivery. Maybe that's why Lee whatever was going up.
Blue Apron. I got out of it early. I could have made another cents on it easy.
Oh my god.
If you find it on Reddit.
I kind of wish Devin was here because I feel like he would have been trading some of this. Like seriously, the two people that are usually in here that would actually be trading this crap are the two that aren't here today.
Well, I feel bad. I'm not part of that group.
Well, I don't know you well enough. I'm watching you though. I see how you're trading. It is a lot more similar to how Devin trades.
Big momentum plays.
Mm-hmm.
What's BBBY doing? Consolidating? What is this?
There's a Reddit thread that says, I'm the person that YOLO'd my dad's savings into BlackBerry 6 months ago. It's either retirement on a yacht or food stamps for him. The plan has not changed. Like, what the... Oh, man. See, this is the problem. Like right now on Reddit, on Wall Street Bets, it's nothing but people posting how much money they made.
Yeah.
But then when everyone loses all their money, nobody posts a damn thing. I mean, some of them do, but like all the people that are posting what they won and they just keep holding because they think it's just going to keep going.
Like the people said it was going to go to 1,000, which is kind of like technically impossible.
That is exactly when I started trading. Take profit at 1,000 so they couldn't short it.
I wonder if anybody has like the level 3, if they could actually see how many orders are just sitting at $1,000. I bet there's a bunch.
Can you get level 3? Oh, I'm in BlackBerry right now. Nice push.
Yeah, level 3 is the total market depth.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, you guys can actually hear me.
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Ever since we did this update, everything on my phone has been all messed up. I still can't get my emails. It's all DT's fault.
Yeah.
Damn it, DT.
Not the user error. There's no way that Discord messed up your phone, man.
Not
You
a
probably hit update all, and it updated so much other shit. Fucked your phone up.
chance. In the App Store, for the Discord, press update on Discord. I've got like all these other updates that I just don't do.
Well, that would mean if you deleted Discord, it should go back to normal. And I bet you it doesn't.
But then I would lose you guys.
You could always reinstall it.
But I'd never find you again.
It goes off of your login.
Yeah, it saves everything.
What's a
on your
login?
account.
At some point, you logged in or made an account.
Yeah, that was like 3 years ago, man.
What's the login? And it's all my fault, right?
Hold on.
Is it password?
I see